Alright, hey everybody, this week I wanted to show you guys a few stretches that will help manage and prevent lower back pain. Some of these stretches I prescribe to clients to help them deal with their own issue, but for you personally, everyone's an individual and it's really important to understand what's causing your issue, because there's many causes for back pain. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you a few stretches that will help release the muscles around the spine as well as the hips as well. Okay. So the first stretch that we're going to do, again, we don't need any special pieces of equipment to do these stretches, okay? We can pretty much use anything like a chair, the side of a bed. For the first stretch, all we need is just like an elevation. I'm just going to use this bench right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to place that foot on top of the elevated surface. And we're going to lean forward into it. Now it's really important to remember, guys, for this stretch, we have your toes pointing towards the ceiling and we get your hips square, okay? So the hips and everything's facing forward. We're going to come down into this stretch and we're going to lean forward. Now notice that I have a straight back. I'm maintaining what's called neutral spine position, and I'm also tilting the hips forward, okay? So once I establish this position, I'm just going to go ahead and hold it for about 20 seconds. And then after about 20 seconds, guys, we can sort of just break the stretch by just pointing the toes down, like so. And then we can just bring it back up and hold it for another 20 seconds. So we can sort of break it up. Instead of holding it for like a minute, we can break it up into sort of intervals. So after about 15 to 20 seconds, you can go ahead and break the stretch again, point the foot down, and then we can come back into it as well. Okay, so that's the first one. We just place our foot on the elevated surface, okay? And then we're going to be coming up right into it. Now, for this one to be effective, guys, we need to be making sure that we're tilting the hips back, okay? So just imagine your hips like a ball and we're tilting the hips back like so, okay? For us to get this stretch. And the same sort of thing, after we've held this for about 15 to 20 seconds, we can just come down and break the stretch, ease it up, and then we're going to come back up into it and go ahead with the stretch for another 15 to 20 seconds. The next stretch, guys, what we can do is we're just going to be laying on your back, okay? Just like so. Just laying on your back. And for this one, guys, what I'm going to get you to do is you're just going to place one foot behind the knee or above the knee. And for this one, it's just for the piriformis. We can just go ahead and push that knee away from us like so. And for this one, we're still maintaining what's called neutral spine. So we want to make sure that we have that space behind our lower back and we're pushing down and away from our body, okay? And we can get the glutes into it by hooking that foot, or hooking the hands underneath and then pulling it in towards your body, all right? So guys, really common mistake that people do is that they sort of round their lower back off. So we don't want to be doing that. Once we're in this stretch, guys, we can just posture up, we can pull that knee, we can pull the foot towards our chest while we're keeping a straight back, okay? That's the really important one. Same sort of thing, guys, we want to make sure that we're breathing into it, holding it for about 15 to 20 seconds, okay? And then same sort of thing, and just go ahead and do the other side. So guys, for the next stretch, I'm going to get you to lay on your back, like so. Same sort of thing, we want to make sure that both hands are out in front of you. We want to have our hands facing towards the ceiling, okay? You want to sort of bring your hips to the side that you're going to be stretching, okay? So I'm going to be stretching this hip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt my hips to that side. I'm going to go ahead and bring that leg over. And then I'm just going to keep that hand outstretched as well. Now, same sort of thing from here, guys. We can just go ahead and hold it. It's important that we maintain contact with the ground in terms of our shoulder. So our shoulder needs to remain on the ground. We can use this hand just to hold that leg down. And we're going to be keeping that chest up as well, just like so. Same sort of thing, guys. We can just hold this for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then we can change sides as well. The last one, guys, is just the glute stretch, okay? So with this one, we can come down onto the ground, we can get into this position, just like so, okay? Now there's two variations for this, okay? We can sort of keep the knee at 90 degrees, we can keep the back leg at 90 degrees as well. We can rotate towards that side that we're stretching, and then we're gonna bring our chest towards that knee, okay? Just like so. It's really important, guys, that we also maintain a straight back position and we try to keep our hips, we want to rotate our hips towards the knee as well, all right, just like so. And guys, if we still don't feel this, we can sort of progress it slightly and come right up into it. like so. And we can get some of our hip flexor muscles as well while we're stretching this. And we're going to put our body weight into the hip that we're stretching, okay? Just like so. Same sort of thing with these stretches, guys. Breathe into it, relax. After we've held it for about 15 to 20 seconds, we can change sides. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, until next time. See ya.